Chewy Chess Tart. I like serving this by itself or with just a little bit of unsweetened whipped cream. And now for a cookie crust. This is made out of vanilla wafers, and you can grind these up in your food processor. Get them very fine. Okay, so there's your very finely ground vanilla wafers. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. And stir in your melted 6 tablespoons of butter. So that's your crust. So simple. I know your family will love this pie. Let me show you how to form this one. So fun to make because it is a no-roll crust. Spread it as evenly as you can in the bottom of a removable bottom 9-inch tart shell. This is like a quiche pan, tart shell pan. And with your fingertips, just pull up about 1/4 of an inch thick on the side. You can make this crust in advance. And now to flatten the bottom, you can just use the bottom of your measuring cup like this and really compress the crust. You're going to chill this before baking. What a neat and simple crust. It goes into a preheated 325-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And now the filling for the tart, 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. And add 1/2 teaspoon of the very best vanilla. There. To this, add your dry ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar. When I tasted this pie, I just fell in love with it. You can't eat a lot because it's very rich, but it is very tasty. Because really, there's not much in it except sugar and eggs and a 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar. Pack that in. And now this gets incorporated. And there's one surprise ingredient which gives a crunchiness to the filling that I think is very appealing, and that's cornmeal. 1 tablespoon of fine cornmeal. And add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And one last ingredient, melted butter. 1 stick, 8 tablespoons, 1/4 of a pound. This is what gives the chewiness to the filling. Pour this in. Once filled, get this into a 325 oven, preheated, and bake this for about 35 minutes. This chess tart is done. Let this cool to room temperature and then chill it for an hour or so. And we have one that's already chilled right here, and I can put this on our serving pedestal. Oh, so pretty. Watch how easily the ring comes off. And you can just put this right on your decorative serving dish. And that is your Chewy Chess Tart. It's like eating little bars of the best candy.